it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you a perfume subscription box unboxing. Okay guys, so just before we get into today's video, a quick apology. I haven't posted in a couple of weeks. I do apologise. Basically, I won't keep you for too long explaining the reasons, but Jake had an issue with his paw. He had to have a little bit of surgery on his paw. He's doing very well now, but at the time he did need a little TLC and some looking after, so that took up a bit of my time. And then he was okay, but then I got a little bit ill. I was getting headaches and wasn't feeling so well, and then I think I had a bit of food poisoning over the weekend, so that's been fun. And now we're back onto I'm feeling okay and hopefully getting these videos up. So today's video is an unboxing of a new perfume subscription box. This was sent to me very kindly as a PR product, so I haven't paid for this, but they aren't paying for me to promote this or anything. This is just me showing you guys and giving you my honest opinion. Now, this is from the guys, it's called Scentful, and it is a new designer fragrance subscription box. I have opened it already, as you can see, but it did come lovely packaged, which I have now destroyed in this lovely letterbox friendly packet, which means that you don't have to worry about being in, which is really brilliant because my goodness, my door rings quite often sometimes with different packages and things. That's my own bad. But yeah, it means you don't have to worry about being in. A lot of us are back at work and things, and obviously just means you don't have to answer the door to anybody either, so I think that's perfect. So onto the box itself. Once we get it out of the original packaging, it comes presented in this absolutely gorgeous box. It's got the logo and, well, the name in a beautiful kind of rose gold shiny effect. I think it's really, really pretty. And then we open up the box, and inside we get a little card explaining the perfumes that we get in this month's box. Again, really, really nicely presented, and again it's got the same kind of rose gold detailing that it has on the front. And then inside are our two perfumes. I think they're quite generous samples, so let's just have a little look at each perfume and then I'll talk more about the box in general. So as you can see, we get two designer fragrances each month. There'll be different designer fragrances, but this month we get one from Dolce & Gabbana and one from Emporio Armani. So I'm going to read you the little information that they give you, and I'm going to give the perfumes a smell because I haven't actually tried either of these ones before, I don't believe. So let's crack on. So the first one in the box, and they do come in a lovely like clear vial so you can see how much you're getting. I think that they're 5 mils each, and they look like plenty to kind of get you through the month, if you know what I mean. So this one is from Dolce & Gabbana, and it's called No, it's a blinking foreign name, and we know I'm really bad at pronouncing names sometimes. So it's La Imperatrice? No, Imperatrice. Anyway, it is a fruity eau de toilette that is vibrant and exudes charisma. Its succulent exotic fruits and bright pink florals give way to a musky, appetite-arousing base. A mouth-watering concoction of fresh watermelon and juicy kiwi offset by the drama of pink cinnamon for an exhilarating fragrance sensation. Boisterous, brilliant, and incredibly addictive. Oh my goodness, they really sell it with that. Wow. So this has top notes of pink pepper, kiwi, and rhubarb, with the heart of jasmine, cinnamon, and watermelon, and base notes of sandalwood, musk, and lemon. Or lemon tree. So let's give that a sniff. That actually sounds amazing. I'm going to spray that on that side of the card. Oh, it's a good mist as well. Oh, I do like that one. It's very fresh fragrance, you know, like it gives off that clean kind of spring almost kind of vibe. I'm really bad at describing perfume smells. I do apologise, but I like that one. So let's move on and talk about the second one we get this month. And this is by Emporio Armani, and it's called Diamonds. Heard of this one, but I've never tried it. So the write-up on this one says, Diamonds is a floral eau de parfum that reflects the sparkle, strength, brilliance, and sexiness of the Emporio Armani woman. The sensory blend is surprising gourmand fragrance to give a woman a self-confident and audacious feeling. The rose, a symbol of femininity, is made succulent through the addition of a touch of lychee and raspberry. So these sound like very luxurious perfumes. So it has top notes of lychee and raspberry with a heart of rose, freesia and lily of the valley. And it's got base notes of amber, vanilla and vetiver. Ooh, that sounds so good. Right, let's give this one a smell. It's very similar. No, I prefer the second one. I actually prefer that. That's really, really nice. Okay, so I definitely prefer that one, I think. There's a similar smell behind it. I wonder if it's the card. I'm going to spray one on each wrist. They smell different. Oh, I don't know which one I prefer. Ooh, they're really nice. This one's a bit more fresh and kind of like clean and fruity almost. I feel like this one's maybe sweeter, more floral possibly. But they're both really nice perfumes, so I'm set up for the rest of this month. I think that this box is absolutely just stunningly presented. The fact that it's got the rose gold detailing, the card is really, really nice. It's got a lot of detail on there, and on the back it's got some information about like letting them know what you think of the subscription box. So that's really, really nice. If you're interested, there are 4 different ways to pay for this box. It's a monthly subscription, but you can subscribe for 1 month at a time, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. And it gets a little bit cheaper the more you subscribe. So if you were to subscribe for 1 month, it would cost you £13.95 for the one box. If you were to get the 3-month subscription, they would cost you £12.95 each. The 6-month would cost you £11.95 each month, and the 12-month subscription will cost you £10.95, making it the cheapest option, but you are signed on for a year. A year's worth of perfume ain't too bad though. Knowing that you've got these, I think these perfume subscription boxes are an excellent way to try new fragrances. I really, really genuinely do. I can be weird with perfumes, and I do like to try them and wear them first, so buying a full bottle it isn't always ideal, because it might be something that I've spent a lot of money on and then it's a bit like, oh, after I've worn it a couple of days, I don't think I like it. So this gives you the opportunity to try kind of different fragrances and things, something that you might not normally pick up, because I don't know if I would normally go for the 2 that are in here, but I actually really, really like them. So it gives me the chance to try these, even though I might not have normally done so. So I think that they are an excellent idea. And it means that you don't have to worry about buying a big perfume bottle if you're getting these every month. Like I say, they just slip through your letterbox. You don't have to find room for those big clunky bottles in your handbag or whatever. You can just take one of these out with you. I mean, even the box is probably smaller than taking out some of the bigger bottles. So like I say, this is just my honest opinions. I genuinely think it's a really nice box. I think it's beautifully presented and it sets you up for different perfumes. Like I say, I think it's a great way to try them. If you have enjoyed, or if you want to let me know what you think of this box, then drop me a comment below. It'd be nice to hear what you think. Just say hi even if you want to. If you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe. Oh my goodness, what a mouthful. Anyway guys, please take care and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.